Today we'll show you another tip in Excel. Let's say you have a field with your full names in that, and you have a first name and you have a last name. What if you want to remove the second name of you and then keep only the first name of it? So many a times people will tend to do like this, selecting each and every one and delete one by one from each row, which is actually a very tedious task, and it takes a lot of time if you have hundreds of records. Instead, what you can do is you can simply select the records and press Ctrl H, which is your replace function, put a space and an asterisk, and then click replace all. And you can see that all the records second name has been removed completely. So this is to remove the second name. Another tip here is, if you want to split your first name and second name into two different fields, you can go for text column option, go to delimited option, and then have your delimiter as space character, and click on next, click on finish. And you can see your text is split into two rows. Your first name and second name has been splitted. Thank you for watching.